Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply add the PulseX token to your Trust wallet. So in order to do this, you're going to need, first of all, to have the PulseChain network on your Trust wallet. And since it's not native to Trust wallets, you're going to have to manually add it yourself. So by using the toggle at the top right corner of the screen and simply clicking on the plus icon at the right again, you're taken to the token and network option. So we're going to be clicking on network. Once you've clicked on network, all you simply need to do is simply minimize, open up your Trust wallet and head over to pulsechain.com. Link would also be in the description of the video. And we're going to be using this token information here, this custom network information. We're going to be entering them in our Trust wallet. And you open your Trust wallet and you put in all this all the previously seen information here. So once you've done that, all you need to do is simply click on save, and you're going to be adding or creating your chain. So once that's done, to get the PulseX, that's the PulseX on your Trust wallet, you simply minimize, open up your browser again, and we're going to be using the coinmarketcap.com. This link would be in the description of the video for the PulseX. All you have to do is simply scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and once you've gone down, you'd see the about the PulseX, and you can simply copy its chain ID, its contract address, minimize again, open up your Trust wallet, the toggle at the top right corner of the screen, click on add again, and now we're going to be adding a network. So since we're going to be adding the token, so since we've got its network already here, we paste that contract address. We paste that contract address, we enter its name and the rest of those good stuff. And after pasting, you simply enter its name, PulseX, PLSX, and 18 decimals. And then you simply click on save. And boom, here we go. The PulseX is on our Trust wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.